Today, I will compare TCL C7K and Panasonic W93B. Let's find out which TV is best. Display type, display size, display resolution, refresh rate, pixel density, display colors, display brightness, aspect ratio, response time, HDR support, variable refresh rate, high gig, game optimizer, adaptive sync, auto low latency mode, consumer electronic control, HDMI ports, USB ports, RJ45 ports, Wi-Fi version, Bluetooth version, 3.5mm audio jack, screen mirroring, built-in Chromecast, optical digital audio out, speaker, HDMI ARC and ERC, stereo speakers, subwoofer, Dolby audio, Dolby Atmos, detached audio, operating system, version and operating system, operating system updates, app store type, processor, voice assistant, Chromecast, HomeKit, standby power consumption, voice commands, search browser, dimensions with stand and without stand, weight without stand and with stand, wall mount size, TV tuners, thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.